Hi everyone, I am Dilshad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Rural Talker. And today I came up with very interesting topic, and the topic is very awesome. To be honest, it's very awesome. If you will watch my entire video, definitely you will learn a lot of things. And if you are an English learner, if you want to speak English language fluently and flawlessly, then definitely you must have knowledge about the different topic. If you do not have knowledge about the topic, then you would not be speaking English language fluently and flawlessly. In order to speak fluent English, in order to speak flawless English, you have to have knowledge about topics. Lot of knowledge you have to have. If you do not have knowledge, then you cannot express your thought. You cannot relate your ideas to any person in a fluent manner. You can express, but not in a appropriate manner, not in a fluent manner. In order to speak fluent English language, you must have knowledge. You must have new vocabularies to use to make your conversation attractive and interesting. So today actually, from now I will be discussing about the topic, and topic is very much interesting, and whenever we hear about this topic, we get a smile on our face. Yeah, whenever we listen to this topic, we get a smile on our face actually. And the topic is none other than childhood. Yeah, you heard right, childhood actually. As we know, childhood is a very interesting topic, very much interesting topic. And you can also learn a lot of things, by recalling your childhood memories. If you want to speak, about past, try to speak, try to speak on your own story, which has already happened with you, okay, in your past. Try to discuss. If you will discuss, over this incident, then your past tense, I would say your past would be very nice and very strong actually. And you can discuss. There is nothing wrong with that. Suppose if you remember any incident of your childhood, funny, serious, it could be any kind of incident. If you remember, just try to speak in English. Just try to convey in English. If you do not have any partner, just try to think in your mind. And if you are alone, then you can speak loud also. You can speak out. There is nothing wrong with that. Okay, until you will not speak, you can, you cannot be able to speak actually. You cannot be able to relate your things in a proper way until you will not speak. Okay, because I have been speaking whenever I recall any of my childhood story, then I just try to relate into English only. Alone, sometimes I speak loud, lonely. Yeah, sometimes suppose if I do not have any friend, then I just speak by myself. When so I'm going to relate a few things about this topic about childhood. And first, I would like to say the definition of childhood according to my mindset, not others. Okay. And you can create definition according to your mindset, according to your knowledge as well. There is nothing wrong with that. You can create your own definition about any particular topic. Okay. And according to my mindset, and as far as I know, as far as my knowledge and my vocabularies are concerned, I would like to tell you a few things about this topic, and I would like to tell you the definition of this topic. As we know, the topic is childhood. As we know about childhood is the most earliest and most formative stage of human life. It is a period marked by significant physical, emotions, and cognitive development. Whether it is attempting daring feats on monkey bars, do you understand? I will relate you things actually in and further. Let me complete the definition of this topic. Then I will relate the funny things also in further after a couple of minutes. Getting stuck in a slide or try to impress friends with daring stand on the swing. In our childhood, I think you must have seen. I guess you must have was monkey. Like one people used to come with monkey and then used to so like kind of monkey act, and we used to tease monkey. Lal lal monkey, something like that actually in Hindi. In my village, in my rural area actually. Yeah, there's every day. I think I no, not every day, but I would say like often the monkey person used to come and then used to show monkey act, and They used to ask money and like grains, something like that. So we used to tease monkey. Sometimes what happened, like, we used to grab the monkey tail and hold the monkey tail and used to pull like this. And then the men, they used to get angry, like on us actually. But it was very nice, nice, I would say, moment. So similar to this incident, we have lot of incidents, like in our childhood when we were studying in maybe seventh or sixth standard. Then we try to impress our friends, by doing different kind of stunt, and by doing, like, suppose some of us, like few of us, they were good at different things. Actually, I was very good at swimming. I used to swim a lot. I know swimming very well. I can swim. And some of my friends, he was very good at batting in cricket. Some of them, they were very good at like bowling. So we used to show our we used to try, I would say, we were trying to impress our friends by doing different funny incident, and by relating our ideas and our thought ki, just see, I have a lot of knowledge about it, just see, I am better than you. And like we were feeling like at that time, I don't know, but it was very awesome moment, I would say. It was very awesome and very fantastic phase of our life, and we still cherish actually. And I think so, according to my opinion, as far as my my knowledge and my things are concerned, I would say, I can never forget the childhood incident in my entire life, really. Still I cherish whenever I talk with my friend, like I have a lot of friends, and whenever I talk with them, then I just try to relate the incident, like childhood incident. Do you remember when you were crying, then then I did this, then I did that, and then you went then, like something like that actually. So we have a lot of incident, lot of stories of our childhood. I'm saying, because you can learn English language, you can speak fluent English language, and you can also relate your thing, relate your idea, relate your story to English flawlessly. But you must have knowledge. But you must have like new vocabularies, and you must have knowledge about this topic. How you can get knowledge? By discussing only. By discussing, you can have lot of knowledge. Just try to talk on topic, and I would like to mention few things here too, such as whenever you remember any funny incident or funny any kind of incident or about your childhood, just try to express into English. Just try to express into English. It will help you. It will it will give you a lot of idea, a lot of confidence. And you can only relate any single of your childhood story by practicing only. If you will think, after reading I can relate the my childhood stories, no. You can also prepare about that. If you want to express your thought in a very good and a very attractive way, in a very charming way, then you have to just prepare first. And you can also note down a lot of new words, new sentence structures. You can also grab some words from from different stories also. So try to practice on topic, and topic will give you a lot of knowledge, and it will 100%. Because I have been doing, when, as I told you, whenever I talk with my uncle and any of my friends, I would say, and any of my teachers, then they say, if you want to speak fluent English language, then definitely you have to have knowledge, and deep, not that much deep knowledge, but you have to have knowledge, certain knowledge about the topic. Then you would be able to express your thought in a proper way. And in order to speak English language, fluent English language, you must have command, over few words, also, or words, I mean to say, vocabularies. If you will have command over the vocabularies, you would be able to relate your things in a very nice manner, in a very proper manner. And nowadays, as we know, we all are learner, and I have been also learning English language. But I have been creating video because I have been enhancing myself. I have been enhancing my confidence actually. Because earlier, before 1 month, I would say, I never faced camera actually. I never faced camera. So I have been just trying to, like, I would say, enhance myself and enhance my personality. And I just want to speak, like, among the people, and I just want to address the mob. In future, if I'll get chance, that is why I have been just preparing for. And definitely this language will help me in my future, to in job, in companies, in business. Definitely this language is going to help me a lot. So I'm going to tell you, just pick one topic every day as I related to you, one topic, and try to make note if it is possible for you. Try to make note. If you will make note, and I am 100% sure you will get idea, you will get confident also. So my intention is here to say about topic. Just discuss. Only topic can give you a lot of knowledge. Only topic can give you a lot of confidence. And try to discuss, try to discuss over topic with different person, because they would be sharing their own idea, their own mindset. As we know, every person has their own mindset, their own knowledge, their own way of speaking, their own, like I would say, vocabularies to represent the particular things. And if you will be discussing with different people, they would be sharing different idea, different thought, and you can grab new words, new sentence formation, new structures, new stories also from other person. Definitely, because as we know, not only in India, everywhere, wherever you will go in the world, you will find different mindset people, and their thought, their idea, their everything would be the different. Just try to grab things from other person. That's how you can improve your communication skill. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time to improve your English. And try to write down like new vocabularies. And I'm 100% sure you can also, you can learn little bit, not that much, but little bit from my videos also. And if you will implement those things, then you would be able to speak English language fluently. And in further, actually, in upcoming videos, I will be discussing only about topic, and one topic. I will come with one topic, and I will be discussing, and I will be giving example as well. It may be example, actually example helps us to understand the things easily. So I will be relating example, and example will help you to understand easily. And definitely, like in further video, I will come up with new topic, and the topic would be interesting as well, as well as fun. That's all for this video. And I know, sorry to say, I know where I committed mistake. I committed a lot of mistake, but I am learner. I'm also learner like you. And if you found any mistake, then just I apologize. And I know where I committed mistake, and I have been just improving myself by creating video, and maybe you will learn something from my video. And if you like my video, then you can subscribe too. Otherwise, no. But I think if you will subscribe my video, so maybe I'll get few subscribers. And till then, bye bye and take care. Just keep on practicing and keep on talking, and keep on discussing over topic. Bye bye. Take care.